Griffin and Haley. Griffin's 4.5. Haley's almost 3. What are we going to do tonight, Griffin? Yeah. Are you going to ride the sheep?
I am. Hey, give that to me. I will after I try it.
Is Haley going to ride the sheep?
Nope. Nope, she's too little. I'll get you one, hey. Oh, the other one right here. I see you.